to Disha's Magical World. I'm Disha and today I'm at Srinagar, Kashmir where my father is posted. And you can see a beautiful view outside. So here is a garden. And now you can go see the lake. So guys, here's the beautiful the lake which you can see from my balcony. Isn't it beautiful? And we can also go down there. And when we have gone to US, I hope you have saw the videos I had made there. So if you haven't, please go see them after this video. And there I had buy the few things from Disneyland and Ross. And some of the things that my father have brought for me from India only. And we are going to show you all the things and then soon we will open them. So at first we have got this create and paint wine chime, and in this we can create and paint our own wine chime. So that will be very cool. And after that I've got this little mermaid bubble wand. So let's see how it works. See this. So it can create bubbles or it can even do music and light. Really. And after that, I have got this grocery gang putrid power set. And these two toys, my father has brought for my younger brother Akash, who is only 1.5 years old. And I have got this Elena of Avalor set, which has Elena of Avalor and her younger sister, Princess Isabel. And I've also got this Ludo Snakes and Ladders. And after that, this Science 61 DIY Do-It-Yourself Science Kit. And we've also got these Bat Bomb sets. And now let's open them. Hey guys, so now we'll be opening some of the toys. And this bubble one can't only do bubbles and lights, but it can also do some real magic. So now let's see what it can do. Wow! See, this Elena of Avalor set appeared. So now looks like it's time to open it with some more magic. Okay. Wow! Wait. So now package opened up. And here are the beautiful Crown Princess Elena and her younger sister Princess Isabel. Aren't they so beautiful? So let's see them. So here is Princess Elena. She has got her beautiful Crown Princess red dress on, and she has got this golden waist belt over here. And look at her shoes; they're so beautiful. Her golden sandal. She has got this golden wristband on here, and she has got these golden hoop earrings, which we can kind of take off. And her beautiful brown hair behind her. And I love this clip which we can take off her hair. So she's so beautiful. And now let's see Isabel. So she has got her beautiful red dress on, which kind of matches Cinderella's ball gown, but it's shorter and it has this silky blue teal over here with golden flowers. She has got white track pants on, and we can take off her blue shoes, which have got these little bows on it. And she has got her short black hair behind her, which she has also got this blue bow behind. And her skin is just matching like her sister's. So I love these both. Hello everyone, my name is Princess Elena, and I am Isabel. Hey Elena, do you see that thing over there? What? Look over there. Let's go there and look. It's grocery gang, surprise. What? Oh, they look so dusty and yucky. But looks like we have to open them now. Oh, so looks like Princess Elena and Princess Isabel have discovered there. So, think they want to open this. So, we have to open it now. Let's see this yucky and gooey surprises now. So, open it. So, here are the grocery gangs, which we'll be opening. It's so yucky and pukey. Oh, just look at these. Guess I just can't even want to touch it. Looks like we'll open it. And so here are the surprise tins, in which there are the surprises hanging inside. Maybe we'll get a clean team or another grocery gang. So we'll have to wait till then. So let's see what these are. So at first we have got busted boxing gloves. Look, they're so busted and so squishy. Oh, I'll never use them as boxing gloves for my own. So we'll put them here. Hey, use our boxing gloves. So next we have got hair fryer. Never do this to use this to dry your hair or it'll fry it. And here is Radio Rec. So Radio Rec. Now I know why they call it Radio Rec, because it's all wrecked. I don't even think it tells the radio now. And here we have Stink Sink. It's such a stinky sink. I don't think their owners would keep it now. And here we have Texas Mystique. They would really make a mistake for making it a steak. Look, it's all mistaken. And here we have the most barfiest thing in the whole wide world. And take out. One minute. Maybe we'll have to pop these out. Barf bag. Look, it's oozing out some barf out of its mouth. And look inside it. It has barf. Yuck. And here we have squished squid. Look, the squid is all squished. Never eat it up. And here we have 1 minute, Papa, pause. And here we have scabby crab. Look, it's all scabby and has oozing out scab out of his mouth. Yuck. And here we have mucky duck. Come out. Such a mucky duck. So squishy. Ew, never use it as a bat's toy. And here we have bad beaver. This beaver looks so bad. Yuck. Oh no, hope we get a clean team or this castle will be ruined. I know, so it's time to open up the surprise tins. I'll open this one. I'll open this one. So let's open Isabel's first. Now it's a clean team. Yes. I just need to remember its name now. So this is Bad Bleacher. This bleacher is very bad. But still, it can clean up the grocery things. Okay, so get out of here, you grocery teams. Uh-oh, looks like they're not listening to you because you're alone. Now let's see who's in this next. Oh no, another grocery gang. So this one is, looks like it is skunk. Yuck, this is a skunk who is stunk. Oh no, looks like I need more clean team to help me. So then I'll just have to bleach them off. Hey. Go away. Huh? You go there. Hey, I fell off. Huh? Now whenever you need to be clean, say clean team. So you guys say it with me. Clean team, clean team, clean team. Okay, now clean team, you're too... Okay, now bad bleacher, you're getting too bad here. Now go off. Okay. So guys, always remember to be clean. And never say it to grocery gang. So guys, it's done for today, and don't forget to see the create and paint your own wind chime tomorrow. So bye.